Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Pinterest saved photos not showing. To know how to fix or to solve Pinterest saved photos not showing, you should just go to settings, then we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will search about Pinterest app. Then you will enter to first stop and we click OK. After that we'll enter to this window of storage. Here we click clear cache, and in the end of all these steps then you can go to your Wi-Fi and we click here to turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.